Are you working in the unknown, trying to stretch the limits of ceramic technology and materials in cutting-edge industries? ELS is a boutique specialized in ceramic engineering solutions, material analysis services, and tailor-made laboratory instruments. If you're wondering whether you can simulate in the lab your complete industrial process, with ELS you can. Running too many tests in the roller kiln without ever solving your problems? Only our optical microscope Dilatometer Fleximeter can find and solve them before production, in the lab. Panicking to replace raw material which is no longer available? Quick, repeatable, reliable characterization of new body compositions in order to find the best choice in the best place, in the lab. Struggling for planarity in large and thin slabs? Easily distinguish between pyroplastic and thermoelastic causes, and design a perfectly planar surface before production, in the lab. Facing an unstable production quality, too much production waste and wasted energy. Assess the firing stability of your products. Quickly optimize them before causing a production problem. Do that in the lab. Your product looks fantastic, but tiles are difficult to cut or too fragile. Detect tension states and resolve them by matching glaze and body and optimizing the cooling, in the lab. Tweaking the firing cycle to adapt to each product. Products that require exactly the same firing cycle must be designed before production, in the lab. At ELS, we provide the tools to answer the right questions. Ask our leading team of passionate innovators for a project-based and tailor-made research consulting, or let us design your custom optical thermal analysis instrument. For 30 years now, we have been constantly innovating thanks to our fast prototyping design process and completely in-house visionary software development. ELS. Ask us the right questions today.